Hi guys! Konnichiwa! This is Aileen and welcome back to my vlog. And for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kausapin si Alexia or kung paano gamitin si Alexia. Alexia, what is your name?
I'm Alexa. I share this name with lots of amazing people.
Alexa, what is your favorite color?
I like ultraviolet. It glows with everything.
Alexa, what is the weather today in the Philippines, Manila?
Right now in Manila, Philippines, it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Today's forecast has thunderstorms, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 78 degrees. Would you also like the current humidity?
No. Alexa, do you know yen to Philippine peso?
One Japanese yen is about 0.41 Philippines pesos.
Alexa, can you sing?
Doggies are all I want to see. Doggies.
Alexa, stop! So, yun na nga guys. Ganun lang kadaling gamitin itong sa Alexia. Pwede kang magtanong ng kahit ano at kahit anong tanong may sagot din siya. Pwede mo din siyang utusan na mag-play ng mga kanta. So, madali lang. And that's all for today's video guys. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka lagi sa mga video ko. Bye!